What's up, guys? It's your boy G37. We here with another video. And today is the day I finally paint my bumper. About to go take it to get it sanded, fresh coated. I actually don't know. I'm about to find out how long that shit's gonna take. Hopefully not too long. I still gotta order the other, like the bottom grill and the fog light coverage. And that shit crazy. That shit really costs more than this paint job about to cost. And I don't even know how to feel about it, but it's it gotta be done, right? But it's all right. So I'll pick this back up when we get there.
Turn this to the Votex Center.
You said Votex, me?
Yeah, man. Hey, look, every day, man.
Yeah,
Just trying to stay consistent. Every day.
Oh, that's nice.
Process,
yeah, I seen this on the.
man, it's your boy Bezo with Wills, man. Look, and we're on my YouTube channel right there, man. Y'all make sure y'all just tap in with me, man. We almost at 10,000 subscribers, but I'm an auto body painting expertise, something like that, close to it. But I've been doing this for about 2 years, solo. And yeah, man, this is just one of my projects. I only put one coat of clear on here, so it ain't at its full potential yet. We still gotta hit about 3 more coats of clear, color sanded and buff it, and then that's that. This project actually came from Texas, and he's in a group with like 3,000 people, so I'm excited to see what that does to the business. So this is just one of the projects, and this had over 100 dents on here, by the way. You can see it on my channel, Bezo with Wills. We did, but we got the Camaro right here. This is going the 2019 Corvette gray. It was that color. I pulled it out and I didn't like it, so I blocked it down. There was some dents and dings in there we got rid of, so we're still working on that. And then we do have D.D. Westbrook's Cadillac inside there. That'll be the last project I do, just until I get organized and stuff like that. Yes, that'll be a one of the third projects I have of his that I finished. So yeah, man, like I said, hit the subscribe. Make sure y'all follow his channel as well. So we just want to build each other up, man. Just help each other's YouTube channels expand and grow, and just stepping outside of our comfort zone. That's all we're doing, man. So yeah, y'all feel free to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned with both of our processes, man. Yes.
Ooh, look what we got here today. It came in. All right, now we got all that foolishness out of the way. We're here to do what we came to do. You know what I'm saying? Can't really do this with one hand. So.
There we here, man. They're pearling, they're busting, man.
Oh, yeah, it is.
They're pearling, they're dancing.
There we go. The brightest right. We got the bumper on, it's painted. Where it is now. I'm waiting for my bottom grill to come in. Ordered the wrong one at first. They got me. eBay, y'all got me good. So, second one's coming in, should be in a couple days. She's set. Ready for to be put up for next year. It's like, it's my daily. I can't put this thing up. Come on now. All right, so we finally got it all together. I added the tow hook, you know, a couple days ago, but hey, looks real good on it. I'm saying, real nice. But I'd like to thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.